Today I have 2 boxes with 3 Coach items in them. I got all of these from the Coach winter sale. One of them is a winter item. The other 2 are the same handbag, but different versions of the same handbag. And I've only ever seen that bag once in the store, and it was sometime last year. And when I saw it, I thought, wow, that's really small. But these are special editions, so I thought, let's give it a shot. I'm as curious as you are to see these. Assuming you're curious, in which case, stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods. I think it just started pouring rain. I'm not sure if you can hear that. I thought I heard thunder a second ago. High-end luxury handbags and blah blah blah. High-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe. Click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to this channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. 2 of the items I did purchase directly from Coach from their sale. This item I purchased from Dillard's, but that bag has been added to the Coach winter sale. It wasn't there when I purchased them. It's there now, and both of these are available in other colors as well. Let's get into the box from Coach first. Pull this out, pull that up. It says Coach. It has the Coach sticker. There's a card. Thanks for shopping at Coach. Here's one item. What could that be? We'll open that first. And there's a handbag in here, if you can believe it. All right, small item first. I did see this in the store, loved it, wanted to get it, just thought that's too expensive. So when it went on sale, I snatched it up, and boy, it's wrapped well. Oh my God, Coach and their packaging. It's this. It's a handbag charm. It's Rexy. It's a Rexy handbag charm. Now they had 3 of these available. I'll post the other 2 up here. There's one of Rexy wrapped up in lights like a Christmas tree, and then there's one of Rexy sledding. And I thought this one and the sledding were the most wintry and least Christmassy, which means I could wear them longer after Christmas. And this one, I loved all 3 of them. Kind of want all 3 of them. But I picked this one because one of the dogs in the family, I got them a dinosaur toy for Christmas that was wearing a scarf and ice skates. So why not? The back of it is Coach like damier graphite, the dark gray and the black, signature CCs, and it's just adorable. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I think Coach has the best bag charms. Now I'm gonna say though that this quality is not as good as their other ones. Great quality, nothing wrong with it, but let me show you my other 2 Rexy charms. There's this one from the Basquiat collection, and what I want you to notice is that it's 2 pieces of leather, so you've got layers there that are attached. And I have this Coach Rexy, the Mummy Rexy from the Blue collaboration, Blue's an artist, and again, we have layers. We also have metal bag hooks. This one, not so much. It's just the one layer. It has some embossing on it and the color, and it doesn't have a metal hook. It just has this that you would slip Rexy through here and then attach it to your bag like that. Still plenty cute, but not the same quality as the other ones. And I guess that's okay for a seasonal piece that you're not going to wear all year, but is it really? Still, love it, keeping it. Okay, what bag could be in here? It's not a tiny, tiny, tiny bag. Oh man, it's pretty small though. It is the Coach Cashin Tote, the mini Cashin Tote, to be more specific. Now I'm not 100% on keeping this, and I want to see the other one before I decide whether to keep one or both or neither. So I won't unwrap it fully, but you can see that this is the green with the gold rivets. They do have some that are just plain leather, but I like the ones that have these extra details. On the side, you also have the green leather and rivets on both sides of the seam there with glazed edges. You have your luggage tag up here all wrapped up. And then, as is typical for the Cashin bags, they've got this tiny little strap. There is, somewhere wrapped up in here, a crossbody strap right there in the green leather. And the attachments for that are D-rings on either side of the top of the bag. Not sure how that green is going to come across on your screen, but on my end, it's a forest green. And these Cashin bags, I have 2 of these in larger sizes, the totes, and they're so beautifully made, and the leather is so soft. It is going to get scratches and stuff on it, so be aware of that if you decide to buy one of these, and they're going to show. But wow, these are beautiful bags. All right, let's check out the other one I got, which I think I will like even better than this one. Opening the box, here's my receipt. Kind of a big box for a tiny bag. Another mini Cashin tote. This one's wrapped a little bit differently. You can see there's a pocket, maybe that's the story patch inside, and you can see the little indentations there. So that shows you just how delicate that leather is. This is the black version with the crystals. This also comes in a pink. The green one with the rivets also comes in a blue. Let's see if we can get that closer up there. So you can see the crystals on the edge and how they sparkle in the light. Oh, that is so pretty. That's a really special bag. And then they also have them without the crystals and without the rivets. This is my favorite of the two. I think I may keep this one and send the green one back. Let's unwrap this. Okay, look, I just discovered something. I have not unwrapped this to the point where I can't wrap it back up. I am gonna wrap it up and send it back. Here's why. I just looked at my Dillard's receipt. This bag was originally $350. I got it for $262. That's quite a good discount for a bag that size. However, remember I told you that Coach just added this to their sale. They have it for $210. So I'm gonna return this to Dillard's, buy the Coach one, save myself 50 bucks. Here's a look at it without most of the packaging on it, so you can see how thin those straps are. You can see the crossbody strap here. I'll put that on in a second to give you an idea of how big it is. And it does say genuine glove-tanned leather on the bottom because these are 1941 bags. That's part of the reason why they are so well made and such beautiful soft leather. On the inside, I'm not going to unwrap this all the way, but there's a leather piece here that connects with a magnet over here, and the interior is this textile. This is so cute. I was going to do a what fits on this, but now that I know I'm returning this one, I don't want to take everything out of it. This is not on the longest setting, but here's how it looks on me, just to give you a sense of the size. There are other videos on these bags, of course. I have not seen one yet on one with the crystals, especially the black one. Oh, let me show you this. On the one with the green rivets, it has those same rivets on the inside here. It does not have crystals on the inside. It just has black rivets, just so you know. It's quite narrow. I have misplaced my little tape measure, or I would measure it for you. But I mean, look at it compared to the size of my head. It's a small bag, okay? It's a very small bag. Here are the two side by side in case you're trying to decide. They're both beautiful. I just know that I would wear the black one a lot more, so I'm gonna go with that. And I do like the sparkle from those crystals. If I turn them, you can see the sparkle in the crystals and not so much on the rivets. If you have thought about a cash and tote, but you're afraid of those super thin handles, that was something that put me off to these bags for quite a while. Don't be afraid of them. I have not the largest tote, but the second largest that has these handles, and I have not found it uncomfortable to carry, even with a lot of weight in it. So you definitely wouldn't have that problem with this bag because you can't get a lot of weight in it. I mean, I suppose you could if you fill it with lead or something, but most of us don't do that. Anyway, take advantage of the sales. I will have the Coach listing in the description box below so you can pick this up if it's still available. So, so pretty. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.